Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of deleting your YouTube channel in 2024. Whether you're rebranding, starting fresh, or simply no longer want to maintain a presence on YouTube, we've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your account. The first step is to sign into your YouTube account using the credentials associated with the channel you want to delete. Head over to youtube.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your email address and password. Step 2. Access YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the YouTube Studio dashboard. Step 3. Go to Settings in YouTube Studio. Locate and click on the Settings option in the left sidebar. This will open the Channel Settings menu. Step 4. Access channel settings from the Channel Settings menu. Click on Channel and then select Advanced Settings. This will take you to the Advanced Channel Settings page. Step 5. Delete your channel. Scroll down to the bottom of the Advanced Settings page, where you'll find the option to Delete Channel. Click on this link to begin the channel deletion process. Step 6. Confirm deletion. YouTube will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete your channel. Take a moment to read through the information provided, as deleting your channel will also delete all its content, including videos, comments, and subscribers. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete My Channel. Step 7. Enter your password. To confirm your identity and proceed with the deletion, you'll need to enter your Google account password. Once you've entered your password, click on Next. Step 8. Final confirmation. After entering your password, YouTube will ask for final confirmation. Confirm once more that you want to delete your channel by clicking on I want to permanently delete my content, and then click on Delete My Content. Step 9. Wait for deletion. Once you've completed the deletion process, your YouTube channel and all associated content will be scheduled for permanent deletion. This process may take some time to complete. Step 10. Confirmation email. You'll receive an email from YouTube confirming that your channel has been scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that you have a brief window of time to change your mind and recover your channel before the deletion process is irreversible. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your YouTube channel in 2024. Remember, this process is permanent and irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.